Hello and welcome to the Solana meme coin starter pack or Solana meme coins for beginners. I'm still unsure of the title. My name is FOMO, you mofo. I trade Solana meme coins. That's it. I'm learning the rest as I go and sharing it with you. Before we begin, nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is purely for entertainment purposes only. If you want to get real-time updates about the market and anything and everything Solana meme coin related, join my Telegram, follow me on X to support me. The links are in the description below, and you can get this Notion doc to follow along as well. In today's video, we're going to take a step back. If you're familiar with Solana meme coins, this video might not be for you. It might be worth a watch if you like listening to me talk, but we're going to take this old school and start from the very beginning. In this video, we're going to talk about what Solana meme coins are. We're going to talk about meme coins versus cryptocurrencies, the benefits of meme coins, the risks of them, how to buy them, how to find Solana meme coins, and so much more. And yeah, this is primarily a beginner focused video, but yeah, hope you enjoy. Now, what are Solana meme coins? They're memes. They are cryptocurrencies inspired by popular internet memes and different cultural trends. For example, we have probably the most recognizable meme here, dog with hat. Second contender is Michi, which is a cat. And a new one that seems very, very promising is Selfie Dog, and Donald Trump. As you can see, there are various different types of meme coins ranging from dogs, cats, political coins, and so much more. I guarantee there is a meme coin out there for you, regardless of what niche you're interested in. Do you like soccer? Well, there's actually a meme coin inspired by soccer. Do you really like your Asian culture? Well, do I have some news for you? There's a ton of meme coins that have to do with the Asian culture as well. They are very fast and efficient. Due to Solana's high performance blockchain, it allows for quick and affordable transactions as opposed to, let's say, Ethereum, where you have to pay insane gas fees in order to purchase and transact on the blockchain. The memes are community driven. So essentially, community members such as yourself and myself are what drive up the price of these meme coins. You have to have a good meme, but more importantly, you do need a community to back them. And that actually results in the price going up. Now, let's talk about meme coins versus actual cryptocurrencies. Meme coins, they're memes, right? And anyone can create them, especially now with the different tools available on the Solana blockchain. Anyone can create a meme coin for as little as $50 or so. And yeah, there are risks that come along with that, which we'll dive into a little bit later. Cryptocurrencies, however, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, so on and so forth, they aim to serve as digital currencies, and they're designed for different applications and utility and whatnot. And I don't know. It's the biggest difference is, again, like, these are fun, and for the average investor, I'd rather put my money behind this guy versus Bitcoin or any of these others. So they're fun, but obviously there is a more serious side of trading in the actual cryptocurrency realm, which I, oddly enough, don't really mess around with. I'm still learning as I go, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, but I niche in meme coins, so that's all I can really speak towards. So some benefits of Solana meme coins: there's a potential for rapid price appreciation. So meme coins can just skyrocket out of nowhere just because it captures the attention of people in crypto and just the general public, I forgot the name of the gentleman, but he's going around recording videos asking people, like, what would you rather invest in? Um, Polygon or dog with hat, and 99% of the average Joe will choose dog with hat, for example. I don't recall their name, apologies, but yeah. And community engagement and hype, right? Like I mentioned, there's a meme coin and a community for everyone. And again, regardless of what niche you're in, maybe you're a gym head, you'll find a meme coin that kind of fits your style. A lot of these communities are kind of like, they remind me of like the NFT days, to where it's like you find a really cool profile picture and you engage with people and you become a part of a community. The same kind of thing is developing with meme coin communities, and it's actually pretty interesting to see. And if you're, a cryptocurrency investor, I would say that meme coins are a great way to diversify your portfolio, because it provides exposure to like a very unique and high growing segment of this market. I mean, just with meme coins alone, like the demand is just stronger than ever. With like Pepe and WIF and all these other coins just skyrocketing. It actually registered a record, a really high, an all-time high record of the market cap, according to CoinDesk. I think it was like 50 billion or something. Yeah, over 2,200 meme coins were listed on CoinMarketCap, boasting a combined market cap of over $50 billion, nearly matching investment banking giant JP Morgan and Tesla. That's insane for just memes. So, again, when people are saying that we're early, they're not lying to you. So, again, with meme coins, you have the potential for long term gains, especially if you enter a community very early. For example, this person bought $6,300 of Dog with Hat, and they sold over $49,000 worth of it because they bought it when it first came out a couple months ago. So they were pretty early to it, and they kept buying along the way, and they're even buying now still, oddly enough. So yeah, there is a potential to make some serious money with these memes, and it's crazy. So let's talk about risks, right? Anything that has a bunch of pros, there may or may not be some cons. Obviously, there are a lot of risks associated with Solana meme coins. The first is volatility. Man, the price action can get scary, especially with new meme coins. Like I mentioned, anyone can create them. So there is a risk for, pump and dump schemes, rug pulls, people, just losing interest on the meme as well. It's an attention economy as well. So, for example, the Asian meta was all the rage 3 weeks ago from May 14th today. And now we're not even talking about Asian coins. So the market definitely does change very frequently. So those are just some of the risks that kind of come along with it. And yeah, you see these kinds of charts pretty often, especially if you're just straight up gambling on the blockchain. But if you pay attention to the metas, show up every day, connect with the right people, you'll avoid this because you'll be set up with, especially with this, since you're watching this video and with the resources that I kind of outlined, you'll be set up for success here. So let's talk about how to buy Solana meme coins. The first step is setting up a Solana wallet. You can create a wallet with the Solana blockchain using Phantom or Solflare. And once you download and install the wallet, you are going to be given a private key. This is like the access code for your wallet. Do not share it with anyone and store it offline. This is for security purposes. But when you create the wallet, you'll be given a unique address, and that's what you actually use to fund your wallet. So you're going to purchase the Solana token, Sol, from Coinbase or uh, whatever exchange you use to purchase cryptocurrency. Or I think even within Phantom and Solflare now, you can buy Solana directly through there using MoonPay. And again, you just simply copy your Solana address to send Sol only over to your wallet from the exchange that you purchased it from. And the third step to get started is to find and acquire meme coins, right? So find a meme coin you like, then use a DEX, a decentralized exchange such as like Orca or Radium to swap your Solana for the desired meme coin. I use Jupiter, which aggregates all these different DEXs, or 99% of the time I use Trojan, which is a Telegram bot for meme coin purchasing. This is the best way to purchase meme coins, in my opinion. And I'll have a video on that later on, and I'll share that with you guys too. So let's talk about finding Solana meme coins. The best place I've found is on X directly. So follow relevant social media influencers, people that share alpha on the timeline consistently. Follow different meme coins and just other influencers as well to get your alpha. I have a little list here called Goats, which is comprised of the only MFs I trust for alpha and plays and anything and everything meme coin related. So feel free to start here and then just explore and find other people as you go. Alpha chats is another popular way to find different meme coins to invest in. So make friends, hang out in different Telegram groups, and eventually make your own group for alpha. Like make friends like that. I can't stress that enough. That's literally the only reason I am where I am today, because I started to make friends early on and I connect with them on the daily. And it's much more fun making money with your friends versus strangers on the internet for sure. And the third place is Deck Screener, which is a tool that kind of shows you all the different meme coins that are happening on various different chains. Obviously, we're talking Solana, so we filter by that. And when you log in, it shows you like the different trending meme coins on here. And there's various different like filters and things like that that you can use, which were recommended by my friend Exy. I recommend you follow them. And you can, use these. This is more of like an advanced thing, but it's good to kind of check it out to see um, what their strategy is and how it works for them, and kind of see if it works for you as well. So some key takeaways from this video: meme coins are definitely a promising sector in just the overall cryptocurrency landscape, but it also comes with risks, right? So just be wary of scams, rug pulls, and things like that, especially for new coins that launch, on a whim, or launch on the same day. And diversify, right? It's good to look at the different metas, obviously stick to what's popular and what's getting volume, so you're not stuck holding the bag or getting dumped on. But yeah, I'm sure there will be a community out there for you, regardless of what interests or what niches you like. I have other videos that kind of talk about, well, every Monday I upload a video called the Solana Meme Coin Trading Journal and watch list, to where I kind of go over the different metas and the different things that I'm actively, investing in and looking at. So feel free to, subscribe and visit the channel, and every Monday you'll see what I'm looking at primarily. But yeah, other than that, hope you enjoyed this video. It's more again of like a beginner video. But yeah, join the Telegram here for more real-time market updates on things that have to do with Solana meme coins. Follow me on X for the same thing. And if you haven't already, please subscribe on YouTube. It helps so much. Thank you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.